What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Heavy Wrench. Thanks for tuning in today. I gotta do a little voiceover here. I forgot to do an intro for this video, but we're wrapping up this 2900T Bandit with the Kubota engine install. I got some various things here we're gonna do. Definitely gonna replace this track idler on this side. It was pretty wore out. There's a lot of clips in here that are cut up. Tried to make sure that everything was all set. So if you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Hey, if you buy some merchandise off the heavywrench.com, you don't have to. Don't feel like you have to. It's out there. It's something fun to do. It does help out with the tool hauls and different stuff like that. And it's just something fun to do. Don't feel like you have to, but if you want to, that's awesome. So theheavywrench.com on that. Hit that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up if you want to. I appreciate it. See you on Saturday.
Adjuster for the track is right here. It's a grease fitting. Nice part is it's all cold now, so that grease should fly out horrible. That's what really is going to happen. So that's coming out pretty darn good. Grab a rag for that nastiness. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let's see. Disposable rag. We'll set this right up there. Ratchet up there. These new back sockets are pretty nice, actually. I don't have too much of an issue with them. Grab a pry bar. The nice part is it's already been off once. And it's going to be good to go. A lot of times, if you don't know it's going to collapse all the way, you can put a block of wood or something in the sprocket and run the track around. But this one here, we know it's already had it off once. So we can get this pry bar down here. We got to keep going in with her. There it goes. Now it's all over. Bottom's out. Let's just keep tops out. That's off. Okay. Let's see if we can get this adjuster all over. Let's see if it all comes as an assembly. Last time it didn't come as assembly. This time, oh yeah, it's coming as an assembly, I think. Which is always better. I mean, especially on these little ones. Such a baby. Baby. Track adjuster. So it's the whole assembly? Oh yeah, whole assembly. Good to go. There we go. Now we'll zip that off. Zip that one on and we'll be good to go. Oh, we gotta find nailing. Might have to go out to the truck. 3/8? Was it 3/8 last time? It's 5/16. I don't remember. Last time I used the RBRT bits, but this time, no real point in that because I know they're going to come out well. So. Last time they were a little sketchy. I don't know if you can see that or not. No, you can't even see what I'm doing. Let me adjust that down. There you go. Now you can see what we're doing. All right. We're gonna get these bolts out of here. I know a lot of guys are gonna be like, why aren't you using an impact? Well, it ain't worth it today, boys. It ain't worth it today. I went back to old habits. The old snap-on ratchet came back out. Well, anyway, I'm going to take these 4 bolts off. I'll get back to you guys when I get the rest of these out, so it's not a 20-minute video of me just taking 4 bolts out and putting them back in. I will say this about the 14.4s. They are really good, but when it's, you probably can't hear me, there's the crap there. When it's 15 below, I will say this about the 14.4. They did not want to work that well. I'll tell you that for sure. So what I like to do is get a pry bar, something to torque against. Torque all 4 of these down. Well, tighten all 4 of these up. Let's put it that way. Flip it over, sit it to the side. Be okay. Alright. Set this up. Alright, note to self or note to you or whoever, make sure that the hole for the adjuster is facing the right direction. It's right there. That's where the adjuster goes in. So just keep that in mind as you're putting it in. Slide that baby in there. All right. Oh, for all you guys that are wondering, I don't know why I feel the need to say this stuff, but I already cleaned out the inside of this thing the last time I did it, so it's not the slides are already cleaned out, so we don't worry about that too much. Take your pry bar, just kind of shake, rattle and roll it in. I don't know, something's hanging it up. There she goes. Now she's in there. Okay. There's a little lip, a little pocket that it sits in like that. You probably couldn't even see what I was doing, could you? Well, I guess a little bit. Sorry about that. So anyway, there's a little pocket that it sits in. Yada yada. Now it's in that little pocket, so we're good to go. Get back together now. Put our adjuster in. That's important. Put that in right now. Tighten it up. Now these don't have to be super tight. You know, don't feel like you gotta crank them. Just seat them tight, you know. Some guys will crank them down like crazy. There ain't no point in that. So let's get some grease, toss this track on. Alright, let's toss this track back on. Big old heavy track. There she goes, she started. Now you just gotta walk her around. Now, if these were new tracks, they wouldn't be this easy, I'll tell you that. There she goes. And I got a text message. Who's that from? Let's see. Holy cow. I'm making this video. And none other than Patrick sends me a message on Instagram. Let's see what Patrick has to say today. 3 requests. It's all horse stuff. Oh, couldn't refresh. Let's see. Oh, no internet connection. Sorry, Patrick. I can't read your message, but I hope you're doing well. Now I'm going to ask you that here in a minute. Take it all the way out, and we'll look at it, and we'll see what it looks like here. Holy cow. We're going to push it in a hair. We're going to put it in 2 threads. This is a trick I've done a lot. 2 threads in. Shove it down. Okay, now screw it the rest of the way in while hitting your little bleeder. And sometimes, how does that work? Universal one. I got the other one that goes in a cap snap on as well. Airlift is going to suck some coolant, put it in the bucket through that filter. Put a filter on just for noise. Yeah, that's not going to work. That's going to be spilled all over the place. But we're going to try to save the mess anyway. So I'm going to set you guys down right here so you can see, maybe you can see what's going on up in here. So what we have to do is pull out this this fitting here. And we're going to use the airlift, and we have to install this gauge line because I thought it was a electrical sender because of the way the wiring is hooked up. This was a wire, and it's supposed to be this tube style temp gauge. So we're going to do that. We're going to use the airlift to try to mitigate all the stuff. So we're going to turn it on. That's got to be open air. And now we're sucking air. We're doing a pretty good job running a vacuum. And we'll see. I'm going to try to do it quick. I got everything pipe doped up on this side too, so we can get her in there fairly quickly and get her tight. We shall see here. Ready? Quick change. Oh boy, guess what? Guess what? We screwed the pooch. That does not fit in that hole. Well, that ain't no good. We gotta change some stuff around here. Okay. This adapter is not going to work. So I gotta do something different. It's a little bigger adapter. I might be able to use this adapter.
With one of my toolbox.
So let me get some stuff sorted out here. Anyway, these Yellock plugs. Get yourself some of these. They're pretty nice. Run that vacuum again. Tell me when it hits the green. Anyway, there it goes. Now we're in there. Now we gotta see what we can do here. So let's get this other piece apart here. That's gonna be an 11/16, so we'll figure it out. We'll be right back. Tell you what I did.
So what you guys just seen there was using the airlift. The airlift, you can buy them on Snap-on, Matco, whoever. It doesn't matter, Mac. They all have their own airlift system. It's basically a vacuum filling system, but I've used them, the universal one from Airlift. It's not as nice to fill the systems as it is just to pull a vacuum. I use them a lot more in hydraulic systems than I do the cooling systems, but if you're just pulling a vacuum, it's not that big a deal. I use it for hydraulic hoses and whatever, but I definitely want to throw that clip in there. I don't know what happened to the rest of the clips that I had. I don't know if the camera didn't turn on or what it happened with it exactly. So just wanted to toss that little clip in there and let you see it. So we're going to get to the battery installation next, and we'll see how that all pans out. So thanks for tuning in. I don't know why I just said that. But anyway, here is the battery portion of it, and we'll get to that.